So we are talking about the original Shop-Vac today. This is their, what is this, the 1.5 gallon size. So this is their little mini version, which is really cool. I'm a huge fan of Shop-Vacs, especially Shop-Vac brand. Things are awesome. I've always had big ones in my woodworking shops. This one is great for mobility, to have wherever you want it. So this is great for me to bring in my car when I go out on small jobs. And one quick thing before we get into the details, I did want to thank the company for sending this out so we could do this review. But another thing I wanted to touch on is this is an 1.25 inch. So the tools and everything, the tube, it's an 1.25 inch fitting, which really works great for tools like this. So the dust collection system on these is that size. So you can hook this up and work dust free, which is really nice. I've got a few tools like this that this comes in really handy for. So let's talk about the Shop-Vac. You're going to get these two attachments. You're going to get your hose here. You're going to get your vac itself. To take the top off, first of all, the handle you're going to attach yourself. That's going to come separate. Two little screws, put that on. To remove this, there's these two little buttons on the side here. Easily removes. And here, this is going to be your bag to put over your filter when you're dry vacuuming. When you're wet vacuuming, remove this and just leave your foam filter on here. If you do want to take off your foam filter, you're just going to spin this off just like that, remove it, put it back on. So you can work dry, you can work wet, whatever your situation requires. So let's get this on, show you this in action. Put this back on like that. Let's turn it around. And just like that. So this has a blower and a vacuum on it, which is really nice. Your blower is going to be up here. Down here is your vacuum. So I've got some sawdust here just to show you a close-up of how powerful this is and how it works. And then I'll show you how the blower works as well. So let's do that really quick. All right, so we got our Shop-Vac hooked up, ready to go. We're on the lower port here, which is our vacuum. So let's turn this on and show you how this sucks up sawdust. So we got it hooked up to our blower connection on our Shop-Vac now. So I think it's pretty powerful for a little 2 horsepower motor. Does a good job, you know, for small jobs, clearing off your equipment, blowing the dust off. But just let's show you how that works really quick. All right, so as you saw from our demonstration, this does exactly what it's supposed to do. Great vacuum, great blower. You always want to have one of these on hand, especially the small version. Nice, compact, easy to travel with. If you're somebody who travels like me in the car to do small jobs, you're going to love this thing. Great for the home, great for if you have kids, liquid spills, dry spills, whatever it might be. Shop-Vac does the job. Highly recommend it.